This is 185 Beacon Street, and that's the front door to enter the building. Then you go one flight up the stairs. You can see the stairs here. As you walk in, this is the apartment 2 rear. So it's 2R facing the back of the building. It's the living room. Here's the breakfast bar. Here's the kitchen. And then right next to the front door, you have a coat closet right here. And I'll just show the kitchen here. You have all stainless steel appliances, the microwave right here, fridge, very decent counter space, good cabinet space, opens into the living room. And here's the bathroom, nice and updated. There is a closet to the left of the toilet right here, like a little linen, or not a closet, it's shelves. And then the bathroom is also, the bathtub has a shower. And then there's a decorative fireplace right here. It's really pretty. And again, so you have the breakfast bar, so you could put a couple of bar stools there to eat, to sit at. And really beautiful hardwood floor, so I don't know if you can see, but it's a really nice design on the floor. It's throughout the living room. Very nice detail. And you have really high ceilings as well. And then the apartment is facing the back, so it's actually the sunny side. You get really good natural light that's south facing. And then here's the bedroom. So you also have the pretty floors in the bedroom, and it's very, very spacious. You have good storage there as well. Tons of storage. Very spacious closet. And you can easily fit a queen-size bed, plus a desk or additional dresser too. There's lots of room here. And it's the same thing. It's facing the alley, so you don't have a ton of foot or car traffic, and it's the sunny side, so great natural light. Here's the room again. And we're back in the living room. Very good sized apartment. And then I'll show the laundry and the entrance into the building. Laundry is on the first floor. So it's only one flight down. One washer, one dryer, pretty standard. And this is the entrance into the building itself. Mailboxes, there are 12 units in the building. And just to turn around, this is where we came from. Really pretty common areas. And here is 185 Beacon, and it's between Berkeley and Clarendon Street. You can see it's mostly residential, one-way street.